back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking out the crochet twist braids that I did on my birthday, which was 2 months ago. I don't know if you guys already saw the video in my channel, but the video is there. Yeah, so today I decided to, you know, show you guys how I take out my crochet braids, and then also show you guys this cute African print bonnet that I am wearing. Yes guys, I think this is so cute. It's a satin lined bonnet and Anaya Boutique has it. So if you're interested, you can leave a comment on the comment section below to let me know if you're interested, and also I will put the link to the website from Anaya Boutique. Alright, so anyway, so let's get started. So I'm just going to show you the hair. This is what the hair looks like right now. This is 2 months crochet braids, guys. Yeah, so I just want to show you what I do before I take it out. So this is the hair. If you haven't watched the video yet, please do go and watch it. So this is what it looks like. I feel like the twist itself still look good, right? I feel like it still look good. All I have to do is you know, wash it and I can reuse it. So yeah, that's what I want to do. So this is my goat. My scalp is dry right now, so you can just excuse it. So this is what the bottom of my hair look like. Let me move my glasses. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and this is the back. Yeah, so if you go watch the video, you see how I shape the back too. So just ignore the noise in the background if you are hearing noises in the background. Okay, so this is the hair. First thing I'm going to do is, you know, moisturize my hair because my hair is pretty dry right now. So I just, you know, put some water on it. I just make sure there's enough water. That goes, that's just spray with water. And I just massage the water in. I have some oil that I mixed together, so you can use any oil that you feel like. Any oil that you have, you can use it. So that's what I do. So I'm like rubbing the oil in the braid itself. I just take my time so I don't pull my hair. So I just pull. It's gonna stuck to my hair, so I'm gonna leave it because I don't want to pull and then break my hair, right? So I'll take that one off after. So I'm gonna go to the next one. So pull it. Pull it out. And that's it. Lay it down nicely because I want to reuse it. So you go to the next one. So whenever I feel like it's stuck, I don't stress it because I don't want to like yank my hair, my natural hair. So I don't stress it. I'm gonna go back in later and then you know, try and take it out safely without it ripping my hair. So this is what I attached to the hair when I did it. So when you check out my video, my crochet video, my recent crochet hair video, you're gonna see how I did it. Okay. Feels like it's getting stuck to it. I don't really stress about it at that moment. You know, sometimes when you are like when you're taking out the combo itself, then this will just easily come out. So you can do it that way too, or you can just do it this way as well, right? So this is basically what I'm going to do throughout the whole hair, the whole head. Yeah, let's see if I can take another one out safely. Like that. So my hair grew a lot. It grew a lot anyways, but I'm just wondering how much breakage, how much damage, because it's been 2 months. It's been 2 months since I got it done, and then but all I basically did was, you know, just moisturize it and stuff like that. So I spray with water and I add my oil, you know, to make sure it's not, you know, it's not dry, right? Take it off. So don't yank on your hair, guys. When you're getting it done, don't yank on it. If you feel like, or if you see like it's all tangled, don't stress it. Like that, see? Don't stress it. Like that. See? You can still reuse it, right? So I have to clean it up and then reuse it. Okay, so there's another way I want to show you guys to take it off. So this braid here, this is a cornrow, so it goes all the way to the back, right? So this is the back of my cornrow. So I'm gonna take this braid out right here. See how easy that is? Once you undo your cornrow, like your braid, it comes off so easily. Okay, so I'm gonna undo this braid. So I'm being very, very gentle with my hair, right? So that I don't break it. This is so tangling right now. So that's why I had to moisturize it with water and some oil. So all you have to do is pull it out. So yeah, so it's pretty easy, guys. It's pretty easy. Yeah, and it shouldn't, like, you know, take that long to do either, because once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. So you can do it this way, or you can do it the other way, the first way I showed you. So for me, it doesn't matter, just depending on the mode I'm in. Then I can just do it, see? And my hair is not yanked out or nothing. So yeah, guys, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just go ahead and then, you know, finish the rest, and then we'll be right back. Don't go anywhere, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. I am basically done taking out the crochet braids. So I just saved this last one for you guys. Remember when the first crochet braid I was trying to take out, and it kind of got stuck, like right there. So I'm just want to show you how I take it out. So I just unbraid, it's stuck there, right? So I just unbraid my cornrow, that's right here. So unbraid it. Just use my hand to separate here, because I don't want it to, you know, break, right? So the front, what I did was, excuse me the noise, guys. What was I saying? So yeah, so the crochet that I did, the front was like a single crochet. So that's why I have the, what's it called? The rubber band. So you just let me take out some something. So it's a rubber band that I use to hold my hair down because the front was single crochet. So but if you do go back and watch the video, you will see what I'm talking about. So here it is. So I'm just going to slowly just use my finger to just separate the hair. Just gently, and then move it. Look, my hair. Come off. So anyway, so that's how it goes. Because if I pull it or forcefully take it off, more hair would have came off, right? So yeah, so that's basically how I take out my crochet locks. Yeah, that's it. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I hope you learned from this video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are not new to my channel, welcome as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and be part of the family. Yeah, thank you for all your support. And then yeah, so do leave a comment if you think you will try this way of taking out your crochet lock. My hair is itching, sorry guys, so dirty. If you try it, either way it works for me. So it's actually fast too, especially when I undo the braid, the cornrow. So I undo the cornrow and then just take out the crochet as I go. So yeah, so I just want to share that with you guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, I'm so happy my hair is actually curly, and it grew too. I have a lot of growth. Just look at that. So from here to there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next